matrix method. Consider this system of equations. If this system of equation has a solution, then we can call this system as consistent. Otherwise, it will be called inconsistent. We can easily determine whether a given system is consistent or not using algebraic or graphical methods. But do you know the same can also be determined using matrices? Yes, using the properties of determinants and matrices, we can easily solve a system of linear equation in 2 or 3 variables and check for its consistency. And this method is known as matrix method. In this method, we form 3 matrices using these equations. First matrix will be a square matrix A made up of coefficients of the variables. The second matrix will be a column matrix X made up of the variables. And the third matrix will also be a column matrix B made up of constants. Then the system of equations is rewritten as AX equals to B. Using matrices, we write the equation like this. Since AX equals to B, this means that X equals to A inverse B. So our objective is to find the inverse of matrix A and multiply the inverse to matrix B. Then, equating the corresponding elements to the variables, we can easily find the value of all 3 variables in the system. Let us understand this method with the help of an example. Suppose we need to solve this system of equations. So, first we will form matrix A, matrix X and matrix B like this. Next, we will check whether matrix A is invertible or not by finding its determinant. Since determinant of A is not equal to 0, so we can say that A is invertible and A inverse equals to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Our next step is to find the adjoint of matrix A and multiply it to 1 upon determinant of A to get A inverse. Then we will multiply A inverse with matrix B and equate the product to matrix X like this. On simplifying and finally equating the corresponding elements, we can find the values of X, Y and Z. This is how we use matrix method to find the solution of a system of linear equations.